Open Add Papers, switch to Search Databases, and choose PubMed. For a teaching run, use a public source first so the result review can be demonstrated without institutional SSO. Run the search and wait for the orchestrator. The status card tells you which source worker ran and how many records came back before you touch the import controls. Review the visible records before importing. Check the title, authors, year, source badge, PM ID or DOI, and publication type. The selected count is not a recommendation, it is only the current selection state. Open the review boundary, but do not confirm the import. This is the last checkpoint for duplicates, selected count, and whether these records belong in the current project.